Jessica's in the back somewhere. There she is. Hello! So we are going on another Goth Girls thrift store adventure today, which is really exciting. And we're actually going to pick up my friend, Scary Kerri, who hasn't been in a video in quite a long time because she lives in a different city than us. But today is her birthday. So she asked us if we wanted to go out thrift shopping with her, and we said, hell yeah, we do. So we're going to go pick her up. She doesn't know we're filming. She might be surprised. Anyway, so we're going to go get her and head out to some thrift stores and maybe get some lunch and see what treasures the day holds for us. We did it. We picked up Kerri. Happy birthday, Kerri!
Happy birthday!
It's been a long time since you've been in one of the videos.
Yes.
Are you excited to go out thrift shopping for the day?
I haven't gone in like 3 years.
Me either. It's been a long time since we've been thrift shopping. I'm really excited. See what we find.
Yay!
We did it. We made it to our first thrift store. So excited. Jessica's into the CDs already. You find anything good?
Not yet.
Oh, is that one you're contemplating? What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh, it's a good album. It's a good album.
I don't know if I have it yet.
I do. I definitely know that I have that one. A lot of CDs. Kerri found something. What are you going to use it as, a pincushion?
Maybe. I don't know. I might just put it for decor in the living room.
It's pretty good.
All year round because I like it. It's turquoise.
Absolutely. Oh no, Mary got a cart. That's a bad sign. That's a bad sign.
Look what I found already.
Ooh, look what you found. I love it.
Suns and moons.
And Jessica got a couple of movies. What'd she get? Elizabeth and, Dracula 2000. What you finding?
I don't know if Mary wants a salt.
Ooh, that's neat.
Yeah, it's a star. Cool. I don't know.
I just found this. I'm debating. That's friggin' cool. Maybe. Maybe. What in the hell are these guys?
Some things that are okay, and other things.
I don't like it.
Right?
I don't like it. Also the grossest lipstick bank ever. Ew, it's sticky. Ew, I regret everything.
You can.
Jessica, did you just find a sewing box?
Yes.
That's terrible. That is very terrible. No, thank you.
It's very 80s.
It sure does. Nope. No.
Included small parts.
No. No.
Look at all the stuff
No,
you
no, I'm walking away from you.
It's from Sears.
No! Well, you guys, I found boobs. Totally just found a set of boobs. Well, I found this beautiful monstrosity. Lots of weird, cool lingerie. Mostly too big for me. Also this. Oh, lace robe. Yeah, no, back in the rack with you. Back in the rack with you. Hot pink corset. Hot pink corset. Why? Why? This is a sleepy romper. I guess so you can get fucking camel toe while you're sleeping? I don't know. Anything better down there, you guys? Obviously.
90s.
Ooh, yeah, 90s broomstick skirt. I love it.
We'll do my 90s glasses.
Yeah.
That's it.
Jessica, are you trying things on in the middle of the aisle?
I'm right. You know, I do know this. I hem it. Like, just here.
A little bit shorter, maybe? That's cute.
It looks good. That's good.
Super cute. Go find a mirror.
I definitely do.
Good. And another thing. You're making out better than me.
Okay.
Oh, Kerri found another thing. Pretty cute.
I lost the zipper.
No.
Yeah?
That's cute. It's very like filthy punk. Wear that with your leather jacket.
I love it.
It's cute.
There you go.
Cute little crop top. Debating on it. I never fucking wear crop tops, but maybe. Maybe. We're filling up the cart. Also, we have a second cart now because Mary's gone.
Yeah, we lost Mary.
We lost Mary. She's gone somewhere. Yeah, look what Kerri found. A steampunk shitty corset with a matching thong. At the thrift store. Delightful. Ooh. Look at what I just found. Like, what the actual fuck? No, not in any way. No. It's got leggings. Don't know that I like the flowers, though. They fit me, but I can't see myself wearing flowers. Well, Mary came back around. Found blankets. Good thing we got a second cart. Jesus. Oh my god, that's so many. Oh! And whatever that is.
And that's my shawl pin.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Tons of blankets and...
I got pots.
Ooh. Exciting.
Yeah.
Getting a good haul so far. Look at the little lapels on this bitch. I would buy it, except it's shitty. It's pleather. It's not real leather. Lame. And now this. for whatever reason, a cropped, completely sheer, hooded crop top. Why does this even exist? Someone tell me.
Okay.
Where did Jessica go?
Dilemma.
Somewhere inside this vest. Look at the hood on this thing.
It's so big.
Oh my God, if that was black, that would be like there'd be a fist fight right now.
I have a dilemma.
Dilemma?
So this
Okay.
is my Susie or the black jeans.
Ooh, gotta go black denim.
Yeah.
Gotta go black denim. Shoes. Gotta go into the biggie size. Biggie size. Wow, it smells terrible. Still not big enough. Where's the big ones? Are they over here? That's getting smaller. Do they not even have shoes big enough for me anymore? Nope. Tiny, tiny, tiny. Let's see. Thank you for calling me over to show me those, Jessica.
I thought they would look really good on you.
Yes, I definitely wear flats, and I definitely wear white rainbow flats.
And open toe stuff.
And open toes, yeah. Oh, here we go. You got the biggie size. Jesus Christ, they're all ugly.
Yup.
Wow, I guess if you have big feet, they think you have really bad taste in shoes.
You don't?
Holy shit, that's bad. Kerri, are you in fact the bat?
Yes.
Excellent. Does it say anything on the back?
Nope. It
Oh,
just is on
I'm the bat. Okay, perfect. Well, I love it.
It's gonna get tie-dyed and cropped.
I love it. I might buy these.
Make them a little filthy.
Yeah, maybe. Might have to filth them up. We'll see. All right, since we've lost Mary, we're doing a fashion montage on the birthday girl of sunglasses. Pair one. Ooh la la, madam. Love it. Ooh, the pink ones suit you, definitely. Definitely. Straight out of a video game. Awesome. Look at these ugly beasts. Holy Christ. No. Shitty fake pleather? No. No. All right, welcome to our haul from only the first thrift store. Oh my God. This is amalgamation of what everybody got. Kerri's pumpkin, Mary's live, laugh, love signs with stars and moons. This is a beautiful broomstick skirt that Mary got with black glitter, crochet blanket, studded top. Mary, that's very exciting for you. Kerri got the I am the bat shirt. Jessica found a cute little crop top. That's a leather purse that Jessica found. She bought the plaid skirt of many colors. 2 terrible movies that are great. I bought these. I also bought the little top with the ski buckles on it under here. And then Jessica found this really nice, flouncy, comfy shirt. So even though the trunk is full, we're going to another thrift store. Yeah. We ready, ladies?
Yeah.
Yes? Yes, birthday girl? All right, let's do it. Second thrift store, here we go. I'm immediately buying this. I really hope that Virgin Mary glows in the dark. And also this. And also this. Look at that weird Jesus. He's been broken, but that's okay. Love it. Well, found Jessica. How full is your cart already? What is this? Oh, some of this looks like Kerri.
Yeah, those are Kerri's.
What did Kerri find? Yarn. Kerri found a bag of yarn and a bag of random craft supplies. And you, what did you get?
Some lights.
Ooh, that's fun. Do they light up?
They do.
Oh, that's super fun.
Right?
That's really fun. You never see those in red. Oh no. I found random bags of hardware, you guys. Someone has stopped me from buying random metal. Other people doing Leonard Cohen songs. I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know how I feel about it. What have we here? Terribly matted secondhand wigs. Awesome. Again, the biggie size shoes are very, very ugly and very, very flat. This looks like a clown ruffle, but I think it's supposed to be a top. Like, I think this is supposed to be a whole ass top, but there just isn't any more to it. Nope. You think we should pair that together with that?
I think so.
That's beautiful. Are you gonna wear that?
No, it's for you.
Oh, thank you. Oh, well, lucky me.
Yeah.
Or there's this. That's tacky. Mary, look how tacky this is. No. Nope. No.
It's you.
No. Oh my God, you guys, there's 2 of them. There's 2 of them. I take it back. This one is better than that one. Yeah, 2 of them. Wait till we find a third, we can all wear one. Also, no. Like, it's a jean vest in powder blue with lace trim. No. Seriously? What is wrong with people? These are shitty pleather sleeves with like a electric salmon. I don't know, nylon thing with like lace zipper. What the fuck?
I was looking at it.
Electric peach flapper.
Woo.
All the fringe you could ever want. Hello, Jessica. Are you trying on things in the middle of the aisle again?
Yes.
What'd you find, a binder?
Yes.
Look at your small titties. They're so flat.
I know.
So
I
flat.
feel weird about it.
I like it.
Probably good for me.
Right? Snoopy sweater. No. All right, let's see what Jessica's found over here. Oh, that's beautiful. Hot pink.
I thought you could have it for the next time you have a date with Brody.
No, he would wonder what the hell is wrong with me.
You come maybe to the insane asylum.
Yes, he would. What'd you find, Jessica?
The ultimate terrible Christmas thing.
Yep, that is definitely a nightie. Are you gonna wear it as a nightie? No.
Well, I might wear it as a nightie and I might wear it out.
You're definitely gonna belt that word as a dress.
Yep, that's the fucking loop.
That is straight out of the fucking like 80s. Fantastic. Assortment of 90s plaids. More than you could ever want. Oh, Jessica found another one.
I found another.
Oh my god, so much plaid. So much.
So many times.
What the fuck is that? It's a plaid shirt with like a sequin. Oh my god.
Something.
That's horrible. Oh, that's horrible. Oh my god, you guys. See-through lace fringe. They're not even chaps, they're pants. These are pants. With, I might add, with an underwear sewn into them. So hygienic. All right, haul from the second thrift store. Kerri got just the wool. I got the Jesus crucifix, the bag of assorted religious figurines, and that's it. Jessica got a chest binder, which is awesome, a plaid skirt, the most fabulous Christmas nightie / dress ever, straight out of the 80s, some Victorian Christmas CDs. This is Mary's stuff here, the bat candle holder and the trick or treat and the fun shot glasses. And yeah, now we're off to have some lunch. All right, look at our delicious food. Mary's got a veggie burger, isn't it? Jessica's got a bunch of stuff. Kerri's got a Caesar salad. Mmm, this smells so good.
The fries are good.
So excited. All right, welcome to the end of the video. We are fully fed and have lots of good thrift store finds. Did you have fun at your birthday, Kerri?
Yes, thank you.
Yay! That was a lot of fun. I haven't done that in like forever. Yeah, so I think, well, Mary found the most, for sure. For sure.
Found good stuff.
I would say, who found the second most, you guys?
Jess.
Probably Jessica. Yep. I found the least. But that's okay. I do like the things that I found. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming along on this video adventure with us. Goth Girls Thrift Storing Volume 3 featuring Kerri.
Yay, Kerri!
Yay! So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to my channel, if you haven't already, that would be amazing. If you want to follow any of us on all the social medias, we're going to list them all below because it's way too long to talk about. So we'll just put them below if you want to follow Kerri, Jessica, Mary, or me on any of the things. And what else? I think that's it. Yeah. Like, subscribe, follow us on social media, buy me a Ko-fi if you want to. Check out our Depop for some of our cool secondhand shit. And we'll see you guys around for our next thrift store adventure. Bye. Bye. Whoop. Oh God. Bye.